I'm going to do this one with you to model what I meant. I'm going to write the product. Which of these is the product? The top one. So I'm going to write negative 12. Then I'm going to write the two numbers, the first two numbers that I always use are 1 and the number itself. 1 times 12. Now I have to think about the signs a little bit. This is the critical thinking. This is the hard part of the process. But with a little practice, you'll get it. This is my reasoning. I need this number to be a negative 12. What does that mean about the signs of the numbers I'm going to use? What is it? One of them has to be negative. Either the little number or the big number. How do I decide which one should be the negative number? The little or the big number? Why?
Because it's the sum.
The sum is
a negative.
Exactly right. You see that? I need a negative number to be my product. One of these guys has to be negative. Either the little one or the big one. I look at the sum and I say the only way I'm going to get a negative sum is if my bigger number here is the one I make negative. So now I know. I put my negative right here and then I just keep going. All my big numbers are going to be here and they're going to be negative. Now, 1 times negative 12. Do they add up to negative 2? No. What's the next pair? 2 times 6. I'll make this number negative so I get negative 12. 2 plus negative 6, are they negative 2?
No.
All right. 3 times negative 4. And then, do they add up to negative 2? No. What's the next number? 4. But you see, the moment you write a number that you've already written here, if you've gone in order, you know you're finished. You've done all the combinations. Because when I write 4 here, what's the number that's going to go here? I already have that pair. Guess what the next number is going to be after? The 5 won't work, but 6 will. 6 times. And then nothing will work until I get to 12. But the point is, once you see a repeated number, you're finished. What's our conclusion in this case? The number that we're looking for, they don't exist. And this is, so no solution. It is quite possible for an X game to have no solution. It will happen when you're factoring, that you say this polynomial is not factorable. But notice how there is no doubt in our minds, it's not like,